Get him. Man, he pulled a good one. I can't believe you hit that turkey. Great, I thought he flew off.
That's where the bird got me. He put up a fight on his last few seconds alive. When the morning starts out slow, just all it takes is a little luck and a little God. Well, True Mountain Life Outdoors gets it done again on this windy day. Man, it was a slow start this morning. We didn't hear a gobble all morning and went to all of our better spots, we thought. And we was heading back home, and we decided to take a different route back home. And I got out and was walking the trail, and Dad was following behind me about 100 yards in the Ranger. And I came around one of these bends, and I heard the gobbler strike up. So I went ahead and backed out and got set up on around this bend, hoping he'd come around that bend and he'd be right there on us and we'd get good film. Well, we sat up, and it took him about 10 minutes to get over here, and he ended up coming up the hill above us, and just didn't get real good camera footage of him. He was up on that hill. Man, it was an awesome, quick hunt, you know, this morning, bird gobbling and getting a shot at him. But please keep liking and subscribing to our videos. We're going to try to get some better footage next time. It's just, on these mountain birds like this, you don't get that many opportunities at them, so you got to take them when you get them.